Bang, look at that, guys. Down to the home stretch.
It's there.
All right, guys, what's up, man? As you guys seen on the intro, the Mustang there, man. Look, you can see all the coolers from here. Got my intercooler, oil cooler, transmission cooler, radiator. All Mishimoto except the oil and intercooler. But it's gonna do the job, man. 3-inch wide intercooler, 3 inches coming out. And got, I think there's a 10-core oil cooler. Want to go a little bit bigger. Run into clearance issues right there, but either way, it's gonna look good. Oil filter relocated. That's coming out nice. All my lines, plates already got. I think my last video, you guys seen it? Plate is in. It's bolted down. O-rings are in there. It's ready to go. Everything you're looking at here, guys, is bolted down basically. Just got to finish bolting down the turbo, but it's there with gasket and everything. Wastegate. Check out that wastegate right there. Look at that. Look at that fitting right there. CG fab, man. Good stuff. Now, what's left is literally, like, what did you say, Wayne? The little tedious and
the tedious
little
stuff.
things, you know, like I'm waiting on a silicone coupler here. Get this situated here. Silicone couplers down over here. Get this situated. Eventually, like I was telling Wayne, since I'm taking some welding courses right now, you know, getting better at that, a lot of these pieces are going to be welded. Gonna leave some so I can obviously remove it and be interchangeable, but you know, a lot of it is gonna be welded and it's gonna look really, really cool. Turbo's in there. That's already welded. I got that from CG Fab, so that's ready to go. This had to be swapped out to a 90 degree going down to a 45, so that's solid. Basically what's left, I have it written down on the board over there, but basically what's left, the big thing is relocate that, which is the overflow. I already took off the hoses. I'm gonna have to go get that at Mr. Hose tomorrow or this week. Get that relocated, fab up these brackets here so I can hold down my radiator. Not a big deal. Like I said, waiting on the couplers, get the intercooler situated. What else do we got here? That's pretty much it. Other than that, I need to get oil. I'm anticipating running about 9 to 10 quarts now on this, since the relocate kit came in and the oil cooler. Instead of running 8, I'm gonna run almost maybe 10. That's going to help me cool down. Coolant was going to run a tad bit more just because I'm relocating that over there, but not much. Still going to run about 4 gallons worth. Oh yeah, I got my airlines for the wastegate. And this nice little block here. I'm going to run all my vacuum through here. Jack Spania Racing. I think typically these guys mess around a lot with Hondas and stuff and case swap and stuff. But, you know, they had a good little deal on this. Got that. It's going to work just fine. And then the big one, fuel system. I'm gonna piece that together. I'm gonna get a regulator with boost reference. I'm gonna get good pumps, good fuel hat, PTFE lines. Is gonna be the works. It's gonna look good, man. It's gonna look real good. Put this back over here. But that's pretty much an update. Got a bunch of other parts. Got my wastegate springs there. I'm gonna run 8 pounds on this in the beginning. To start it up, more than likely I'm going to run 8 pounds of boost, MS-109 on a fuel system, upgraded fuel system. So once that gets in here, that's basically going to be the final touches, Wayne. Fuel system, going to make my own custom harness. For the wiring, it's going to be all situated. This thing's going to look good, man. Look at that. That boy's going to look good. I almost still want to go out like this, Wayne. Remember I told you? Remember when I told you when I put this car up? The next time this car steps out, or not steps out, rolls out into the street, it's gonna have no hood and no bumper, just to get out there and rip, and just see how it feels. And then obviously butting back. I'll show you guys the bumper later. I am modifying a little bit. Like I took off my fog lights and all the assembly down there because these tubes are running right through it. Like I said, eventually they're gonna be modified a little bit, maybe bend more, but I don't mind it. I'm gonna run some aluminum covers on the fog lights there. I don't need the fog lights anyway. So that cuts about, 5-10 pounds off that bumper that I don't need. Slap the bumper back on. and then the hood. And like I said, I'm gonna run a pipe here, which I'm gonna weld actually. My down pipe here is gonna go straight to here, because I'm gonna have a hose coming out here, and it's probably gonna run underneath all this. So it's gonna angle down a little bit, so this thing's gonna come. I need it to come up straight up there. But other than that, man, this boy is coming along real nice, Wayne. Real nice. Man, you excited to go on the first rip on that thing?
Oh, I can't wait.
Man,
I can't wait.
we're gonna take it out,
I
Wayne.
have a headrest.
I can't wait to get on that shit and stomp on this thing.
Even with a headrest, it's going to take my head off.
Man. Oh, man, I can't wait.
But
Stomp.
It's been fun.
It's going to, man. Soon, guys. I'm telling you, the car's been down since January 13th. I marked it up. So let's see. You know, I mean, I'm trying to put hopefully by March 13th. It's already mid-February. Hopefully sooner than that, but that's it, guys. That's coming along, man. Quick update on the Mustang.